Please be ready for a dictation of a matter on National Commission for Scheduled Castes taken from civilserviceindia.com. 5 seconds. Start. The Commissioner for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes was appointed under Article 338 to investigate matters relating to the protections provided for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Constitution and report to the President upon the working of these safeguards. Principally, it is an Indian constitutional body established to provide safeguards against the exploitation of scheduled castes to promote and protect their social, educational, economic, and cultural interests. Special provisions were made in the Constitution. The first National Commission for Scheduled Castes was established on 2004 with Suraj Bhan as the chairperson. The second National Commission for Scheduled Castes in series was constituted on May 2007 with Bhuta Singh as the chairperson. The third National Commission for Scheduled Castes has been constituted on October 2010 with P.L. Punia as the chairperson. The following are the functions of the Commission: to investigate and monitor all matters relating to the safeguards provided for the scheduled castes under this Constitution or under any other law for the time being in force or under any order of the government, and to evaluate the working of such safeguards, to investigate into specific complaints with respect to the deprivation of rights and safeguards of the scheduled castes, to partake and advise on the planning process of socio-economic development of the scheduled castes and to evaluate the progress of their development under the Union and any state, to present to the President annually and at such other times as the Commission may deem fit reports upon the working of those safeguards, to prepare such reports, recommendations as to the measures that should be taken by the Union or any state for the effective implementation of those safeguards and other measures for the protection, welfare, and socio-economic development of the scheduled castes, to discharge such other functions in relation to the protection, welfare, and development and advancement of the scheduled castes as the President may, subject to the provisions of any law made by Parliament, by rule specify. In India, scheduled tribes community suffer a lot due to social, educational, and economic backwardness. Unfortunately, such miseries were in practice from many centuries because these two communities were considered untouchables in society. Establishment of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes was considered mandatory for the improvement of this community. On the 89th Amendment of the Constitution, enacted on 19th February 2004, the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes has been formed under Article 338A on the bifurcation of the former National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes to supervise the implementation of various safeguards provided to scheduled tribes under the Constitution. The Commission comprises a chairperson, a vice chairperson, and 3 full-time members, including 1 lady member. The term of all the members of the Commission is 3 years from the date of assumption of charge. The aim of establishing National Commission for Scheduled Tribes was to support and safeguard this community that was suppressed since the primeval period. The Government of India took an important step to set up such commission that could prove helpful for this community to avail all infrastructures and facilities in the country without any isolation or discrimination. Purpose of setting up this commission is to safeguard their interests, to keep them socially and economically strong, and enhance their living standard. This newly established commission was established through amending Article 338 of the Indian Constitution to insert a new Article 338A through 89th Amendment Act 2003, which smoothened progress of this deprived community. Constitutional amendment paved the way to the bifurcation of erstwhile National Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes into National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, and the second one, National Commission for Scheduled Castes, with effect from February 19, 2004, to work independently. Stop.